day, Kenyan brothers and sisters. Trust you're enjoying your summer. This is Jennifer Chege, in charge of Diaspora Banking at Family Bank. And I'm excited to inform you that today we are in Washington, Seattle. We are here at Federal Way. And we've come with very exciting news about our products that we have just customized for you, for your need. We have accounts. We have the Kenya shillings and the dollar account. And as I've said before, why do you need the dollar account? This is because you need to send your money back home in dollars so that you don't experience the conversion charges. So when we are opening for you an account, we're opening for you a free savings account with a debit card. You're able to access that account through a debit card, and also it doesn't have monthly charges. So this is a very big advantage. Secondly, you're able to access that account on internet banking and mobile banking. We have a superior platform in terms of mobile banking that also allows you to use your foreign number, as in your number here in the US, and its uptime is 100%. Then we also have a relationship manager for you. Every time you open an account with us, you are allocated a relationship manager so that you don't have to keep calling the bank everywhere, you know, the branches. So you have a dedicated relationship manager for you. And we are 24/7, so we are in operations throughout, so you don't have to worry that it's late here and Kenya time, you're not able to contact anyone. Then we have mortgages. You want to purchase, you want to build, you want to buy a plot, whatever you want in terms of real estate, Family Bank is in that space. Do you also want to buy a motor vehicle home? We know most of the homesteads in Kenya do not have the privilege of having a personal motor vehicle, which recently has become a basic need, because sometimes we hear at home people are getting sick, they are deep in the village, no one is able to take them to hospital because the cars are not available. For you now, we are able to loan you some money to buy a personal motor vehicle, so you can reach us out for that. We also have a last expense. We want to have you and your family have the last respect in a dignified way. So we have an insurance product that is quite cheap, and it covers you, your spouse, your siblings, where need be, parents-in-law, and your children. So basically it's covering everyone that is around you, and this now deters you from the normal harambes that we are used to when we have someone pass on. Next, we have the T-bills and the T-bonds. We can assist you to have to bid for them. We have a whole department that is doing that. I don't want to preempt everything because we are here in person at Federal Way. I would just like to tell you we are at La Quinta. You can see below the address. You can call us and meet us at La Quinta. We also are at Lim's Lounge. The address is there below. And we're also privileged to have an opportunity to be at Huduma Center. And we'll be in all these locations up till 24th. But in case of anything, you can call us in the on the contacts given below. There's Jacqueline and Jennifer, myself, and we are ready to serve you. Thank you so much.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.